Hi, I'm Bier. Welcome to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzin' Patio, the show where I'll be teaching you all the important words you need to know in easy to remember ways. Hi guys, welcome back to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzin' Patio. I'm Bier and today I'm going to be teaching you about the calendar, days and week.
Okay, Bier, so if I want to refer to a day, how do we say the word day?
One.
One,
Yeah,
okay.
one.
And that's, so like if I want to say today, or it's like one day, in one day, how would I say in one day? One day, is it?
So it'll be อีกหนึ่งวัน
Nung wan, so
Yeah,
that wan
nung
is the
wan.
day, okay. And what about a week? How would I say the word week?
อาทิตย์
Atit.
อาทิตย์
And that means a whole 7 day,
Sure,
like a period of a week.
Atit
So
nung.
if I'm going to say I'll see you next week, how would I say that?
เจอกันอาทิตย์หน้า
Atit na. And
Atit
atit na
na
means
It's
the week.
next week.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So if I want to say a fortnight, how do you say a fortnight? Is that a word that's commonly used in Thai?
So a fortnight is pretty much in 2 weeks. So it would be อีกสองอาทิตย์
Okay. So song atit is kind of like what we would understand as being a fortnight.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. And what about a month? If I want to say to you, I will come and see you next month. How would I say the word month?
So the word month is เดือน
Duan.
เดือน
Okay. And next month?
เดือนหน้า
Okay. So duan na. So there's a bit
Duan
of
na.
consistency there in the word na. Na means in
Yeah.
the future.
Yeah, it just means in front. Yeah.
Okay. And lastly, the word year.
ปี
B. Okay.
B.
So, and I'm guessing next year.
ปีหน้า
B. No. And there's that
Yeah.
word. No. Okay. Brilliant. So let's have a quick recap. Day,
วัน
week,
อาทิตย์
fortnight,
อีกสองอาทิตย์
month,
เดือน
and year.
ปี Alright guys, that's all from me today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please click on the bell icon for notifications of my next episode. And please comment below if you have any words that you need to help me with. If you need me to help you with. Sorry, I'm losing my English. As well, if you'd like to support us, please look at the link below where there's a link to the Buy Me a Coffee. Yeah, if you'd like to support us, please buy me a coffee. And I will see you in the next episode. Thank you. Goodbye.